Brian here with you. We're in my office. Thanks for stopping in. Let's now have a look at this very large and wonderful mid-19th century lithographed map of New York City that has original hand color all across it. It is as issued with the fold lines and it's in remarkably nice condition, really, for a map printed on such fragile bond style paper. The paper is very thin and flexible. It's like an India paper or almost a tissue paper with some strength. You see that the map is beautifully preserved. There is just this one little area right here with this very well done tissue repair that when we flip this map over, like so, very gently like this, there is a little tiny triangular piece here that looks like it had become separated at some point, so it was reattached like this, and when you look at the map as a whole, it's all but invisible really to the eye. That's just about invisible. The only other tiny flaw that I can see, well, actually I can't. There is really nothing else to report on the map. There really isn't. It's just an exceptionally well-preserved example of this map on bond paper issued in 1860 by Drips. And so this is how it survives, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.